Hello and welcome to Quick Tip 37. This is based on tutorial 100, and in that tutorial what I did was demonstrate how to create a trading app which uses the optimization class to do a simple optimization. And if you remember that tutorial, or you're interested in that tutorial, what you'll see is that the symbols that we're doing the optimization for were actually hard coded into the program. And a Gold Pass member asked me, well, what about if I wanted to, for example, import the symbol list from an external file? And that is what we're going to do in this quick tip. The file is as follows, which is just a randomly selected number of symbols that are just put line by line in a text file, which I've stored on my hard disk. And then Quick Tip 37 is based on a modification of the original tutorial. So what we do, we've got an input here, which is the file name and path. That is where I've got this the text file that I just showed you stored. We're also going to be using a StreamReader and a token list. So let's go and look at the program and see how it's set up. So in the part of the program where we click a button to start the optimization, what we do is we also now load the symbols, and we do that by creating a token list, and then using a StreamReader we try to load in the text file. If that fails, if the text file is not where it's supposed to be or doesn't exist, then we'll get an error. Otherwise, that is stored in the StreamReader. Then we go through the StreamReader in the next using a while statement, and for each line we add that to the token list, which is called TL. And at the end of that, we close the StreamReader, and then we go on to do the rest of the optimization by calling this method define job and then starting the job. So let's have a look. We've now got the contents of the text file into a token list. We're now going to go to the part of the program that actually does the main part of the work in terms of doing the optimization. And let's have a look. Okay, define job, and this is pretty much what we had before, only this time, rather than putting in some hard-coded symbols, we're going to go through another little loop, just going through all the items in the token list, and for each one we're going to add the symbol opt symbol dot add symbol, and then the name of the symbol from the token list. And if you compare that with the original program, you'll see the similarity. And then we've kept the minute interval and the strategies the same for the sake of this program. And then the results are shown pretty much as before. You can see optimization. At the moment we're keeping you can see how many tests are going through. We're printing that information. Anyway, I hope you will find this useful, and please let me know if you have any questions or other ideas for quick tips or tutorials. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and of course also join our email list, because not everything is made as a video. So thank you very much.